VivereTech had another challenge completed. The I-MOP XL Floor Scrubber. Extremely compact scrubber when compared to traditional floor scrubbers. The I-MOP XL has a suction motor, to brush motors and an electro valve. The biggest challenge with this type of equipment is moving all these devices without using a large amount of physical space with battery autonomy. That's why the I-MOP has lithium-ion battery packs. To packs of 24 volts, lithium-ion batteries are used. These two battery packs together weigh less than 3 kg. To lead batteries of equal capacity would be 4 times heavier. The original I-MOP 40 battery packs are made up of 28 lithium-ion cells each. In this retrofit process that we call the I MOP BR RENO version, the same quantities of cells are maintained in each pack, but with expanded and optimized capacity. The retrofit process begins with the complete disassembly of the 2 battery packs. All 56 lithium-ion cells are removed and tested individually one by one. To determine its current load capacity, only cells that are damaged or have low charge capacity are replaced by other identical cells. Next, the 56 cells are grouped into 2 packs of 28 cells again, in order to offer the best combination and ordering between them, to maximize power supply capacity, so that the battery performs at its best. Once the battery packs are finished, it's time to redo the electrical part of the I MOP BR RENO. The original control board was replaced with an iDrive from PG Drives technology. The iDrive is responsible for controlling the rotation speed of the brushes, and also by measuring the charge level of the batteries. The iDrive allows the use of the Echo option, which reduces brush rotation, further saving battery consumption with greater overall equipment autonomy. The new panel and control box use stainless steel keys and a battery display with IP67 protection. Moisture and water resistant, without membranes or keypads, with easy individual exchange in case of maintenance need. In the final tests, the autonomy of the I MOP BR RENO appears to be much greater in continuous use, due to maintenance of lithium battery packs and the installation of modern microprocessed iDrives, which optimize consumption. Follow our job, subscribe and like our channel. VivereTech, quality and innovation in retrofits to achieve your goals. The modernity at your fingertips.